Today's hack is help a reporter out. If you've never heard of this concept, it's basically a portal. Journalists go every single day and post questions that they don't have answers for, and folks like you and I go and answer them, and we might get mentioned in an article that they're creating. It's basically free. You don't have to do anything other than the time it takes you to find the question and the time it takes to answer and hit send. And you can even outsource this to a virtual assistant or a PR intern to have them go through this every single day, and you contribute content or ideas you watch, you're gonna start getting listed in articles that you never dreamt of. Sometimes these are high-end publications, sometimes it's a small little journal in some little town. The fact of the matter is this is the lowest cost to get published on big journals without a big PR budget. So for startups, we recommend using Help a Reporter Out a ton. But I don't see a lot of agency owners using this. That's why you made it to the agency growth hacks today. What I want you to do is go ahead and create an account and just kind of check out the questions that they have and find out if it's the right fit for you and your agency. And if you're looking at different ways to grow and scale your agency, that's precisely what we do here at ClickX. We help agency owners just like yourself every single day, from lead generation, customer acquisition, all the way to fulfillment. If you're looking to learn more about what we do, schedule a call with one of our consultants and find out if we're the right fit. But first, I want you to go to Help a Reporter Out, create an account, and try answering a few questions, and you never know, you might get published in 5 minutes of your work. So thank you so much for watching our Agency Growth Hack series. I'll see you next time.